Hello student, welcome to all of you in semester 4th. Today I am discussing with you semester 4th paper number 8 organic chemistry. This paper contain 4 units. First unit is carboxylic acid and their derivatives. Unit number 2 amines and diazonium salts. Then unit number 3 carbonyl compounds, aldehyde and ketones. And last unit is stereochemistry. In your syllabus, carbohydrate topic is deleted. Today I am starting the topic unit number 2 amines and diazonium salts. Then this topic contain first part amines and second part is the diazonium salts. Then amine, definition of amines. Next point in the amines classification. Then nomenclature of amines, structure of amines, then methods of preparation of amines. There are 4 methods of preparation and reactions of amines. Then in second part of this topic, diazonium salt. Then first we see what is meant by diazonium salt, then preparation of benzene diazonium chloride and some reactions of benzene diazonium chloride. Then first we start amines. Then what is meant by amines? Amines are derivatives of ammonia in which one or more hydrogen atoms have been replaced by alkyl groups. Ammonia NH3. Then three hydrogen atoms are replaced by alkyl groups, or 2 hydrogen atoms replaced by alkyl group, or 1 hydrogen atom replaced by alkyl groups. Means amines are derivatives of ammonia in which 1 or more hydrogen atoms have been replaced by alkyl groups. I am showing here structure. Nitrogen. Here you see the structure, 3 alkyl groups. First alkyl group is the R, second is the R dash, third one is the R double dash, and nitrogen having lone pair of the electron. The next point is the classification. Amines are derivatives of ammonia. Therefore, I am showing here the structure first. Ammonia NH3. If one hydrogen atom is replaced by one alkyl group, then formation of primary amine. If 2 hydrogen atoms are replaced by 2 alkyl groups, I am showing the structure RNRH. Here in this structure, 2 hydrogen atoms of ammonia replaced by 2 alkyl groups to form secondary amines. And if 3 hydrogen atoms of ammonia is replaced by 3 alkyl groups to form tertiary amines. These 3 alkyl groups may be same or may be different. Means 1 hydrogen atom replaced in case of ammonia, formation of primary amine. 2 hydrogen atom replaced, formation of secondary amine. And 3 hydrogen atom replaced by alkyl group, formation of a tertiary amines. Then tetra alkyl derivatives of ammonia. Tetra means 4. Here 4 alkyl derivatives of ammonium salts are known as quaternary ammonium salts. For example, tetramethyl ammonium chloride, CH3 4 times. Tetra means 4. CH3 4 times, N positive charge, Cl negative charge. This is the example of quaternary ammonium salts. Then after classification, next is the nomenclature. Then for common name, each name ends suffix amines. For example, CH3NH2 methylamine, C2H5NH2 ethylamine. And suppose CH3 2 times CHNH2, here branching at carbon atom number 2, therefore name of this compound is the isopropyl amines. Means each name ends with suffix amines. This is the common name. Then according to IUPAC system nomenclature, primary amines named as amine alkanes. Therefore I am showing the here structure C2H5NH2. This is the IUPAC name of this structure is the aminoethane. Then I am showing here second structure CH3NHCH3. Here N-methyl means CH3 group attached to the nitrogen atom. N-methyl aminomethane. N-methyl aminomethane. And here again I am showing here structure number 3 NCH3 CH3, 2 methyl groups. Therefore NN dimethyl aminomethane. Then I am showing you again one of the structure here CH3 CH2 CH2 CH CH2 NH2. Then I am giving the number. There are the 5 carbon atom chain. Therefore parent hydrocarbon is the pentane, and at carbon atom number 1 amino group is attached, and carbon atom number 2 methyl group is attached. Therefore IUPAC name of this compound. First you select the longest carbon chain. Longest carbon chain is the 5 membered. Therefore parent hydrocarbon is a pentane, and at carbon atom number 1 amino group. Therefore 1 amino. At carbon atom number 2 methyl group, 2 methyl pentane. This is the IUPAC name of this structure. Then again I am showing you the structure N R R dash R double dash. Then this is the structure of amines. Then nitrogen has 5 valence electrons and so is trivalent with lone pair. As per VSEPR theory, nitrogen present in amines is sp3 hybridized. sp3 hybridization means 1 s orbital and 3 p orbitals undergoes hybridization to form sp3 hybridization, and due to the presence of lone pair it is a pyramidal in shape. Instead of tetrahedral shape, amines are pyramidal in shape, which is a general structure for most sp3 hybridized molecules. Means hybridized sp3 hybridized molecule is tetrahedral in nature, but in case of amines this molecule is the pyramidal in nature due to the lone pair of the electron on nitrogen atom. Then each of the 3 sp3 hybridized orbitals of nitrogen overlap with orbitals of hydrogens or carbon depending upon the configuration of amines. Due to the presence of lone pair, the carbon nitrogen hydrogen angle in amines is less than 109 degree. Here 109 degree is the tetrahedral angle, which is the characteristic angle of tetrahedral geometry, 109 degree 28 minutes, and the angle of amines is near about 108. This is the structure of amine. In next lecture we discuss methods of preparation. Thank you for listening.